maybe a CPA Monday through Friday. These are different things. Meet with your own financial advisor and think of this video as a combination of entertainment and education, or edutainment. That's what it is. All right, so I'm going to look at land, and let me bring up my monthly chart. We've got a potential channel here with this midpoint being respected. I like that. We're way below the moving averages. If I go into the weekly chart, you can see, this is all time, like right here. This should be hopefully support. We're below the point of control at different levels. So we got a point of control up here around 1350, another point of control around 1068, different time frames. So we should return to them. Our distance from the moving average is, this is a whole new record right here. We've got this trend line or this channel coming down potentially, or another way to look at this maybe is a channel with so if we took this line and this line, we got this big triangle where it's pinching down and getting ready to turn back up. You can see our volume is really picking up down here, this curve. So this would indicate that we're near the bottom. If I take the day, you can see volume, it just is through the roof, right through here. So there's a lot of buying and a lot of selling likely. So we should be getting ready to go. If we look at this from our parabolic SAR and super trend, monthly, everything looks pretty crappy. When we go to the weekly, we got a buy here on the parabolic SAR, but we've seen that a number of times in this. If we look at our RSI, we finally got oversold here on our way down and are starting to come up. Squeeze momentum is a general upward trend. And if you look at our MACD, it is generally up. On the daily, we are vacillating here between buy and sell. So it was buy, we back have sells. You can see RSI is bottoming out as this price is coming down. And squeeze momentum, looking a little negative still. And MACD is coming up and it's breaking back down. But I think this is a good cheap value spot. If we go back here, let's get to the weekly. I prefer the weeklies to see major trends here. And let's do a fib extension. So we go from this COVID bottom to this top up here and back down. We've got this fib extension, and we can see how this is looking. I could put a thicker line in here. Okay, so here's the overall point of control, 1345. We should be coming up to that. We should be coming up to the shorter term point of control. But you can see here that this, let's move up here, 382, it's a lot of, it's just basically, it looks like it's resistance here. Uh, it tried to be support, but it was not. You can go up to the 0.5, and you can see that the volumes are picking up there. So I like that line. And then 0.68. Here, this was resistance, and here it was support. And then you can see the 0.786 comes right through here. And then, I'm going to take this to the top and back of this, to the top of this giant channel. So right now, I'm looking to break past this moving average, break out of this channel, we'll break out of this line, and then make our way to this point of control for a first swing trade. Hope you like the video. Again, not advice. This is just me telling you some random thoughts that might be opportunities.